Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Darcy. Today I'd love to show you what I call my finger licking taco breakfast. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it takes less than 10 minutes. Let me show you the process. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos. I will, however, be doing for the next couple of months a series on easy lifestyle healthy cooking. Now, today I'm going to be doing a taco breakfast that I'd love to share the recipe with you. Let's get started. The wrap is made from cashew flour. It's paleo, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and vegan. I also have spinach, the tender leaf spinach. I have pre-cut peppers, red peppers, green peppers, and onions. And the other ingredient is tuna in a can. For the seasoning, I have here garlic powder, garlic salt, cayenne pepper, as well as lemon pepper. First, with two saucepans. One I used for the ingredients. Pretty much all I did was with the oil spray here, I sprayed the bottom of the saucepan and then I added the ingredients. I added the bell peppers and got that sauteed for a couple minutes. Then I added in the tuna and the spinach. This is what it looks like. So delicious. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, I want to say a special thanks to you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.